أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Yeah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألف فتاء ألف كسرة إي ألف ضمة أو آ إي أو أو إي آ
Nice.
ها 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 فتاة ها كسرة هي ها ضمة هو ها هي هو
Bold. Bold ha. It's pronouncing places bold from your throat. Ha. Ha.
ها
Ha.
ها
Yeah.
like that. ها
Yeah.
ها ألف ها
Ha.
ها
Ha. Fatah ha. Ha. Kasra he. Ha. Dhamma hu. Ha.
yeah
He.
that's it.
Hu. Yeah, please.
ها فتح ها كسرة هي ها ضمة هو ها هي هو هي ها عين فتح عين كسرة عين ضمة هو هي هو
Ain fatah a. Ain kasra I. Ain dhamma u. A. I. U.
I can't make my throat do that.
Oh.
He ho.
Yeah, good, mashallah. Good trying, mashallah. No issue. You are reading nice, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Practice required some bus only. Yeah,
Okay.
continue,
Back
please.
to it or just and.
Ain. Only ain 3 times repeat. Only just 3 times.
Okay. Ha alif ha fatha ha kasra he ha dhamma ho he ho he ho he ha.
Only ain. Ain fatah a. This one. Ain kasra I no. Ain dhamma u no. Only ain fatah a. Sometimes, please.
And fataha and fataha
Uh,
and fatah.
1 second, wait. How many letters from the alif to ya? Calculate this. I will read you. Your duty is calculation. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, swad, dad, ta, dha, ain, ghain, fa, qaf, kaf, lam, mim, nun, waw, ya. Nun, waw, hamza, ya.
I just can't pronounce the
It's
difference between
it's
alif and.
it's totally 32 letters, okay, from the alif to ya, right?
Yeah, I just can't pronounce the alif and differently.
Difference I will tell you inshallah also difference, but focus, listen to me first only. Just I will tell you a simple rule. From the alif to ya only 32 letters, and this 32 letters is base root, okay. uh, Root of every Quranic surah, every Arabic hadith book, complete Islam, root,
Mm.
complete Arabic. Our Islam religion in which language? In Arabic. Okay, in Arabic root is in its 32 letters. This simple alif to ya, alif ba ta za jim ha ha dal zal ra za sin shin sa da ta ain ghain fa qaf kaf lam mim nun waw hamza ya. It's 32 letters simply, but very important pronouncing. Okay, yeah, when we weak in any letter pronouncing, then we will not good after Quran start, Arabic book start. When we will expert in 32 letters, then we will read easily any Arabic book. Also Quran,
Mm-hmm.
also Quran,
Mm-hmm.
also hadith, any hadith book, any tafsir, any Arabic book. Okay, focus on its 32 letters. Your N is very weak, don't mind please.
Yeah,
And
I
reading
need help.
pronouncing, yeah, and reading pronouncing is very, I am your teacher. Okay, you are my nice student, favorite student. You are reading very good every day, mashallah, good. I am appreciate you, but some weakness in iron reading.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you are reading ain fataha, ha no, it's a, ha no,
Ah,
a,
ah.
alif and ain same, maximum same reading. You focus on this rule, alif and ain same pronouncing.
Ah,
A, e, u. Ha, he, who, no. A, e, u. A, e,
ah.
u. Yeah, ha, he, who, not allowed. Ha, he, who, wrong. What is the correct? A,
E, O.
a, e, u. Look on the ain and repeat it. A, e, u. Only. A, e, u.
Ah. A, E, O.
Good.
A,
Nice.
E, O.
Nice, nice. MashaAllah. MashaAllah, you understand. I'm very happy. MashaAllah. You understand in 1 minute. But practice required some minutes, please. A, E, U.
Okay.
Good.
A, E, O. 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 A, and fata, A. And kasra, A. And dhamma, O. A, E, O. O, E, A.
Before some minutes,
And
you was read ha, he, who, he, ha. Okay, no issue. I'm with you, inshallah. Okay, no issue. I'm with you. Don't be sad. Yeah, no issue.
not bad. Laughing.
I am a teacher now, but I was before some years. Also, I was student. My lesson was weak, but Alhamdulillah, I was try again. I am Alhamdulillah, I am expert teacher now.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Also, you will expert teacher after some time, inshallah. I am with you.
Mm.
Yeah. Thank you, please. Ain fata. Okay. Ain fata, fata, kasra, dama. It's no. Don't read. I'm give you easy way reading. With spell, not read. Don't read with spell today. Only without spell. Like a, e, u, e, a. Just sound pronouncing style improve, inshallah, today.
Okay.
A, e, u, e, a.
A, E, U, E, A.
Also look on
But
ain.
that sounds like alif.
Yeah, nice.
And supposed to sound like alif.
Yeah, same, maximum same read, not big difference. I will tell you this difference after few pages, because now you are a beginner.
Okay.
Yeah, it's I not need doing the burden on you. Yeah, I'm don't like but I do burden on you. It's not good. Yeah, I am telling you easy way, because you are a beginner, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay, I am sending you I am telling you an example.
Okay.
In construction building, I understand what is the constructions companies creating, making the buildings, uh, building
Construction.
buildings, creating, making. When will root of building powerful, then what
The
result?
building is
Good result.
in the building.
Yeah,
Powerful.
big.
Yeah.
You make the big building 50 50 floor, first
Yeah.
floor, second floor, third floor, 50 floor, because root is powerful. Root, when will root is powerful, then do on the that 50 and 100 flower building. If your root will weak, then only one floor not good. Only one floor, that's not afford. Understand? Yeah, it's, yeah, listen to this example. Your root will, I am making your root powerful. You're reading its root, qaida, alif, ba, ta, sa, ain, it's all letters, your root. I am creating, I am doing your root powerful. I am doing powerful your root. Okay, you are a beginner. Understand? Yeah, reading root is first step. Yeah, a, e, u, u, e, a. Also look on ain data, please.
Okay. A, E, U. U, E, A. 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 U, E, A. A, E, U. A, E, U. U, E, A. A, E, U. U, E, A. A, E, U. U, E, A. U, E, A. A, E, U. A, E, U. U, E, A. A, E, U. U, E, A. A, E, U. A, E, U. U, E, A.
Okay, which spell read now, please try which spell now.
Okay.
Ain.
Alif, Fatah.
Ain,
Oh, and
only ain.
N, Fatah, A. N, Kasra, E. N, dhamma u, a e u, u e a. Like that?
Good. Please repeat it.
Hen fatha a.
Oh, hen, no. Hen, no.
An.
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 Yeah. An. Practice required. Practice in an
An.
letter. Read sometimes ein, ein, ein. Hen, no. Ein.
An. 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 An fatha a. An kasra e. Dhamma u, a e u, u e a.
Nice reading, carefully reading, mashallah. I appreciate you. Repeat it style sometimes only. I hope inshallah you will expert inshallah.
Inshallah.
Hmm.
An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a.
Yeah, you can read this only. Ain fatha a, ain kasra e, ain dhamma u. Just only. Ha a e u, no. With spell only. Sometime.
Ha.
Ain.
An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. An fatha a. An kasra e. An dhamma u, a e u, u e a. A fatha a.
Ain. I think you are tired now.
A little, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. No issue. We will continue from this page, this letter tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, take care, and we will also start translation also, inshallah, tomorrow, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay. And